Why do you have to buy BAYC land? Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know this video is not financial advice and we're not financial advisors. So, before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head to the video. What if you could buy land in a metaverse that can give your natural resources value as well? Buying virtual land in the metaverse has now become a reality, and thousands of investors see it as the best investment option. But only buying and holding for the price to up the only option to earn money? Let's shift to something else. Have you seen those signature ape style NFTs? What if you could use those NFTs in the metaverse and also own plots of land there? Or better, what if you could have a metaverse built by BAYC? Believe it or not, BAYC has already announced to launch its first ever metaverse this year after generating enough revenue from the land sale. This is where you might have thought about buying BAYC land, right? But is buying land in a metaverse that has not been created yet a good idea? Whether this investment will be profitable or not, no doubt BAYC is behind this metaverse project. Should you buy BAYC land? Don't think too much because today we're going to talk about why do you have to buy BAYC land. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more insightful videos about the crypto world. Let's get started. What is BAYC to know and the ideas behind its metaverse? BAYC, or Bored Ape Yacht Club, is the collection of 10,000 uniquely created ape NFTs that have been sold. It's worthy to tell here that some of those NFTs were sold for millions of dollars and were bought by celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Paris Hilton. The reasons those NFTs got so famous was due to the hype that these celebrities created indirectly. Within just a few weeks of sale, we're seeing those ape NFTs everywhere. It's quite possible that you may have seen them yourself. Those gangster apes with cigarettes clutched in their mouths, jewelry around their necks, and earrings in their ears. If there's a collection of NFTs that got a hype like no other, it's BAYC NFTs collection. If you want to buy one of those NFTs, then you probably have to find someone who wants to sell it at a price that can be many times higher. You can find those NFTs in the market since everyone's bought them and are waiting for the right moment and price to sell. But what if someone, like you, wants to invest in BAYC? This is where Yuga Labs, the real team behind BAYC, suggested another hot idea: the creation of ape-style metaverse. They've decided to generate about $500 million in selling the virtual land in the metaverse that will be created once the sale is complete. It's quite possible that Yuga Labs wants investors to fund the metaverse and in this way practically own the land there. But how will the metaverse be and what would you see there? BAYC is planning to create a metaverse that may resonate well with the NFT ape collection created before. There's a possibility that the NFT holders can use their special NFTs to get that special avatar inside the metaverse. Plus, more NFTs can be used to change and customize not only the character, but the environment of the metaverse as well. A trailer's been launched in which we see an ape wearing a special hat landing on a place that can be called Ape World. This will be the place where every player could use their ape character to explore the world and do anything they want to. Land is going to be the most precious and valuable commodity in the metaverse, and this is where you should know the importance. Let's find out why you have to buy BAYC land. Unlike other metaverse projects where only buying and holding the land is concerned, in the BAYC metaverse, you can actually use your land. But how? Well, like in the real land, you may buy near any forest and find natural gas or oil under it. The land in BAYC Metaverse can offer you the same. After buying land in the metaverse, you can run research to find out whether there are natural resources underneath it or not. Mostly, you would find either metals like iron, silver, or possibly gold, natural gas, and oil under the land. After that, you can use NFTs and ApeCoin to get those natural resources out of the land. Once you start doing so, you can sell those resources in the metaverse's market and get a continuous income in your wallet. Thus, owning land in the BAYC metaverse gives you the opportunity to have a passive income. You can use that passive income to purchase more land in the metaverse and create your own real estate. The more you own land in BAYC metaverse, the more you can make money. Another reason why you should buy BAYC land is the hype. Everyone in the crypto and NFT world knows about those ape NFTs, meaning when BAYC launches its metaverse, it won't need any type of advertisement to attract investors and users. Now consider, you've already had enough land in BAYC Metaverse, but the later investors want to buy land there. They can only do so by purchasing it from you and earn a profit from that. What if you want to be a part of the metaverse itself, though? Well, you can technically do so by purchasing land in the BAYC Metaverse. At present, Yuka Labs is collecting revenue by selling land in the BAYC Metaverse. Once the revenue is collected, it'll be used to finance Metaverse and its creation. What it really means is that money from investors would be used to create the whole of the Metaverse. That may give the investors the right to own a part of the Metaverse. It's also possible that the Metaverse will allow the landholder to be a part in the decision-making process about the Metaverse. There is news from insiders that BAYC Metaverse may work as a decentralized autonomous organization, where the landholders could make all decisions about the Metaverse. This is pretty good news for investors who want to make a big investment in something and then make decisions about it. No matter whether you're a big or a small investor, your land in BAYC Metaverse will be worth it. Here's something else you should have your eyes on. There are no limitless lands in the BAYC Metaverse. Only a collection of 200,000 plots would be offered for sale, and once this collection is sold, the price mechanism will increase every plot price. Thus, scarcity will play an important role in increasing the price of these plots. What it really means for you is that you should buy plots in the metaverse before it's too late. You want to make a profit by purchasing land at a low price and then selling them where there are no plots but investors want to pay more to buy them. And you can guess what price these plots may achieve by seeing that at the time of launch, Ape NFT was being sold at about $190 in 2021. And recently, the last few ordinary ape NFTs were sold at $20,000 per ape. And the same will happen to the plots in the BAYC Metaverse, and you're going to make a profit out of that. Once the Metaverse is launched, you can claim ownership of your plots and start selling the natural resources it may have under it. If you feel that you've made enough money from those resources or resources have ended, you can sell those plots. It'll be a metaverse where you can live freely and do whatever you want to. Just don't forget, the most valuable thing in the highly hyped ape-style metaverse will be the land. Did you know that BAYC will be creating its own metaverse and selling land besides that signature 10,000 ape NFT collection? Don't be shy, comment right below in the comment section, would you like to buy land in the metaverse created by BAYC? Also, here's that reminder, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates and insights about the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.